I hope everyone is studying well. Yeah, let me solve the problems of matrices of NCERT syllabus of exercise 3.1. So, as everyone knows, myself Sridhar, I am having 15 years of teaching experience. Okay, let us start the matrices. First exercise 3.1. Here, okay, let me use a pointer or a highlighter. Okay, fine. See, here in the matrices we should be generally knowing namak general agi ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ first thing is we should be knowing order of the matrix, okay, and what are the rows and what are the columns, that you should be knowing. So let me explain briefly about that. See, this when you are writing from your left hand to right hand side, that will be rows, means 1 2 3. In this matrix we are having 3 rows and 1 2 3 and 4. That means you are writing from top to bottom. That is nothing but, if you consider like that, that will be a columns. So in this matrix we need to write the order of the matrix. Order means the rows and columns we should mention. It will be mentioned like this. Either we will call it as 3 cross 4 or 3 by 4 generally. Okay, the order of this matrix is 3 rows and 4 columns. That means order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Clear? Next. So next, number of elements. How many number of elements are there? So you have two methods. Directly you can count that number of elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, or one more method, you are multiplying the elements in number rows into columns. That means you will get the number of elements, 12 elements. This is another method. Next, in the matrix, write the elements. They have given A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. We should write the elements, or we should denote which are these elements. A13, here see, understand it properly. A13, clear? 1 indicates the rows and 3 indicate the column. Okay, like this. Generally we will call this as Aij. Clear? Aij. We will call it this one as Aij. So that means I indicates the rows and J indicates the column. So A13 means first row and third column. First row, third column. It is 19. Here you can see. Next, A21. A21, here it indicates second row and first column. So 35. Second row, first column. This one 35. Next, third row and third column, A33. Third row, third column. That means minus 5. Like that, A24. That means second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. That means this one. So it is 12. Now, A23 is a second row and third column. You can see in the matrix, A23, second row, third column. That means 5 by 2. This is the way you should mention this one, A13, A21 or anything, A24 or A23. It depends on the matrix, okay, order. So generally we will call it as Aij. I indicates the rows, J indicates the column. Next problem. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? And what it has 13 elements. See, generally matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ 24 elements ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ that we should write order. See, means multiples ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So we can write 1 into 24 as 24, 2 into 12 as 24, like that. 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 6, 24. Next, 6 into 4, 24, 8 into 3, 24, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 1, 24. That means it indicates number of rows into number of columns. That is nothing but 24. So possible orders, they are telling possible orders. How many possible orders? That means count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 possible orders. You should write the orders, not number. So 1 cross 24, 2 cross 12, 3 cross 8, 4 cross 6, 6 cross 4, 8 cross 3, 12 cross 2 and 24 cross 1. This is the way to write the order. And they are asking one more question. If it has 13 elements, 13 elements is there ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So if it has 13 elements, That means 13 is not a multiple of any other number, it is multiple of only because it is a prime number. That means, so 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. So there will be only two possible orders, 1 cross 13 and 13 cross 1. This is the way. If they are asking us to write the order of the matrix, you should be knowing number of rows and number of columns. That's all. Next, same way, if a matrix has 18 elements, check it out. What are the possible orders? 18 is a multiple of 1, 2 9s are, 3 6s are, same way 3 6 3s are, 9 2s are, 18 1s are. So that means possible orders of the matrix of elements 18 is 1 cross 18, 2 cross 9, 3 cross 6, 6 cross 3, 9 cross 2 and 18 cross 1. These are the possible orders of this matrix. And I am asking, what if it has in 5 elements? 5 elements, what? It indicates what? Only prime number. 5 is a prime number, so it is not multiple of any other number except 1. So we can write only two order. One is 1 cross 5 and one more is 5 cross 1. These are the two possible orders. That means 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. That's much easy. If it is having 6 elements, if they ask for other question as 6 elements, means 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. So it can be 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 2 and 1 cross 6 and 6 cross 1. Right? Possible orders will increase. So it depends on number of elements. If it is a prime number, we will get only less. If it is even number, we should check the multiples of that number. Next, let us construct a matrix. They are telling construct a matrix of 2 cross 2. That means we should get 2 cross 2 like A11, A12 and one more A21, A22. Clear? Let me use the pointer as pen itself. Okay. So they are asking us to construct 2 cross 2 matrix of formula. They have given Aij, I told you earlier, whose elements are given by, now they have given formula Aij equal I plus j whole square by 2. So since it has 2 cross 2, it will be having only 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is the thing, A11, A12, A21, A22. This will be the matrix. So I need to find A11. Substitute I value in the, for A11, substitute I value as 1 plus j value 1 by 2 whole square. Here I solved. In the next one you will come to know. See here, A11 means I equals to 1, j equals to 1. A11 means, so it is applying in this formula. So 1 plus 1 whole square is 2 square, 2 square by 2. That means what? 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. Next, A12. A12 means in substitute in the value of I 1, value of j 2. Substitute in this equation. So 1 plus 2 whole square is 3 square. 3 square is 9 by 2. So 9 is not divisible by 2. So this is the final answer. Same way A21. Substitute I equals to 2, j equals to 1. A21 equals 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 3 square by 2. 3 square is nothing but 9 by 2. Next, A22. Substitute 2 and 2. Here we will get 4 square. 4 square is nothing but 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Try to solve the problems as soon as possible when it is basics. Okay, fine. Then the required matrix. See, we should write the matrix. That is very important. So 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 2. Anyhow, it is 2 cross 2 they are telling. If they are telling us 3 cross 3, we should solve for A23, A33, A31, right? Like that, 3 cross 3. All the 3, totally 9 elements should be there. Okay. Next, one more. Same way, construct a matrix of 2 cross 2. For this, they have changed the Aij. Here, check it out. Second one, Aij equal I by j. That means anyhow they are telling 2 cross 2. That means order of the matrix will be 2 rows and 2 columns. So substitute in the same way. I equals to 1, j equals to 1 in the for A11. A12, A21, A22. Same way. So I have solved this one here. You can check it out. A11, that means 1 by 1 is 1. A12 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is, that's all. Next A21, it's 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Next A22, 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Solve this equation by substituting I and j with the required element. A11 is first element, A12 is the second element, like that. Now the order of the matrix is 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1. This is the order of the matrix. Let us solve one more same type of problem. Same way here also, for this condition we should solve 2 cross 2 matrix. So that means it will be having 2 rows and 2 columns. Same way substitute I value and j value for A11. So A11 I will be 1, j equals to 1, A11. So substitute in this equation. See, they have given I plus 2j whole square by 2. So that means I value is 1, j value is 1. Substitute here properly. First multiply 2 into 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 whole square. Okay, don't get confused. Use the brackets properly while solving the equations. So 3 square by 2 equals 9 by 2. Next, same way substitute 1 and 2. Here 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1. Here you can see in this equation 4 plus 1, 5 square is 25 by 2. Same way A21. So 21 is 2 plus 2 whole square. So 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means 8. So go ahead with A22. Same way substitute 2 value and I value as 2 and j value as 2. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 whole square by 2, 6 square is 36, 36 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16. So that means 18 times. Now write the order of the matrix. So that means 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 2, 8 and 18. These are the 4 elements for the given problem. Next, same way they have given this in the exercise of 3.1 of 5th problem. Construct a matrix. See here, order they have changed 3 cross 4 whose elements are given by this. So that means they have given the conditions now. Aij equals to 1 by 2 magnitude of or modulus of minus 3i plus j. Clear? So that is 3 cross 4 means how many elements? 12 elements. That means 3 cross 4 means it will be having 3 rows and 4 columns. This is the order of the matrix. So we will get A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. 3 cross matrix, 3 cross 4 matrix. Now they have given the equation Aij equal 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. So let me solve this. Now see, here I have written the equation. Properly understand this one. Don't get confused here when they have given the magnitude or modulus of this. Okay, inside of any negative value will become positive value. Let me show you. Here A11 means I equals to 1, j equals to 1. Substitute here minus 3 into 1. It's minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So 3 into 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 1 by 2 as it is, it will be there. Plus 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. See, modulus of negative value or magnitude of this will become what? 2. Negative will become positive. So 1 by 2 into cancel. So we will get 1. Same way, substitute 1 and 2 for A12. So minus 3 into 1 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. So magnitude of minus 1 is positive. So 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Next, A13, I equals to 1, j equals to 3, substitute here. See, 1 by 2 will be same as it is, modulus of minus 3 into 1 plus 3. J value will become changing. So 3. Next 1 by 2, why it's 0? Minus 3 plus 0, sorry, minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0. 0 into anything? 0. So next A14, I equals to 1, j equals to 4. So minus 3 into 1 plus 4, 4 minus 3. See, 3 is negative, 4 is positive, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Next, A21, I equals to 2, j equals to 1, A21 equal 1 by 2, magnitude of minus 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 2s are 6, but negative will be there, minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. So minus 5 will become positive, so answer is 5 by 2. In the same way for A22, solve for A22. Substitute I value as 2 and j value as 2. Substitute, will get minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is nothing but minus 4. So it will become positive. 1 by 2 into 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. It will get cancelled. So answer is 2. Now A23. A23 means I equals to 2, j equals to 3. Substitute the value, minus 3 into 2 plus 1. 1 by 2, magnitude of minus 6 plus 3. Clear? Minus 6 plus 3. 1 by 2, magnitude of minus 3. It will become positive. So 3 by 2. Next, A24. I equals to 2, j equals to 4. A24. So substitute 2 here. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 2. Clear? Sorry, this is mistake. This is 4. Okay, make it as 4. Because j is 4. Clear? So here also it has mistake. It is 3 here. Sorry for that. Okay. So minus 6 plus 4. 1 by 2 of magnitude of minus 2. It will become positive. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So it will be 1. Okay. Next problem, A31, sorry, next equation there itself, A31, I equals to 3 and j equals to 1. So here same way, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1. So minus 3 into 3, minus 9 plus 1, it's minus 8. Minus 8 negative modulus will be positive. So 2 1s are 2 4s. Answer is 4. Same way for A32, I equals to 3, j equals to 2. So substitute here, 3 3s are 9. Plus 2, so it will become minus 9, minus 9 plus 2, it is minus 7, minus 7 of magnitude is positive, so answer is 7 by 2. See, simple way, substitute all the elements, solve for all the elements. So next, A33, so I equals to 3, j equals to 3, A33, minus 3 into 3 plus 3, minus 3 into 3, it will be minus 9 plus 3. So 1 by 2 into minus 6, modulus of minus 6. So 1 by 2 into 6, it's 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So answer is 3. Next, solve for A34. Same way, I equals to 3, j equals to 4. Substitute here. So 1 by 2, magnitude of minus 3 into 3 plus 4. So 1 by 2, magnitude of minus 9. Why? 3 3s are 9. So it will be minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4, it will be minus 5. So magnitude of negative, it will be positive. So 1 by 2 into 5, it will be 5 by 2. This is the way to solve the problem. So the required matrix, you should substitute all the elements here. A11, A12, A13, A14. Next A21, A22, A23, A24. Next A31, A32, A33, A34. You should write the matrix. Okay, after solving this one, here what they have given, this is the equation they have given. So after solving all these elements, you should write the matrix at the end. Okay, this is the way to solve this one. Next problem. So here they have the equation, given the equation like Aij is 2i minus j. They have given the values for I equals to 1 2 3. Here they have not given the matrix of order, they have given the numbers. So I equals to 1 2 3 and j equals to 1 2 3 4. Here only you can understand. I indicates what? Rows, j indicates column. So that means how many? 1 2 3. That means it will be 3 rows and it will be having 4 columns. So order it will become 3 cross 4. Here you can see. So first write the order of the matrix, basic one. So A11, A12, A13, A14 like that. Write all the elements for 3 cross 4. Okay. Next, they have given this is the equation. Same way as we solved in the previous problem, let us solve this one. So Aij equals 2i minus j. So substitute I equals to 1, j equals to 1 for A11. Here we have solved. You can see here I equals to 1, j equals to 1. So we can solve this one as substituting in this equation 2i minus j. So A11 equals 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 is always 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 1. Next for A12. So I equals to 1, j equals to 2. So A12 is there. So So 2 into 1 minus 2, that will be 2 minus 2. The answer will be 0. Same way for A13, substitute in this equation. 2 into 1, j equals 3. So 2 into 1 is 1. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. Don't get confused here. A negative and a positive, we should solve for negative, means we should subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. But bigger number symbol is minus. So the answer will be minus. These are the basics mathematics. Next, A14. I equals to 1, j equals to 4, A14. That means substituting the same values here. I equals to 1, j equals to 4. Same way. 2 into 1 minus 4. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 4. That means it will be negative as the bigger number symbol is negative. Next, A21. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1. The answer will be 3. Same way. A22. I equals to 2, j equals to 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Next, A23. I equals to 2, j equals to 3. A23. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Next, A equals to 2, j equals to 4. For A24. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Same way for A31. Now it's going for third row. So A31. I equals to 3, j equals to 1. A31. So 2 into 3, it's 6 minus 1, it's 5. Next, A32. I equals to 3, j equals to 2. A32. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2, it will be 4. A33. I equals to 3, j equals to 3. A33. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3, it will be answer is 3. Next, A34. I equals to 3, j equals to 4. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Clear? So hence the required matrix is right in a proper way. So A11, A12, A13, A14. So A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. This is the order of the matrix. So solve for 3 cross 4. We have solved it according to the given elements of the matrix. I equals to 1 2 3 and j equals to 1 2 3 4. See, if they are telling of order of the matrix, solve in the same way. If they are given the elements, solve in the same way. Okay, don't get confused. Only the thing is they will be changing the equation of Aij. Got it? Next. Now we need to check the value of x, y and z from the following equation. Means we need to find this. See, it's simple one. It's an order of what? 2 cross 2, right? This is also an order of 2 cross 2. So when it is of same order, when they are equating, equal, that means the corresponding elements are equal. Got it? The corresponding elements are equal when they are telling two matrices are equal. So that means 4 is equals to y, 3 is equals to z, 5 is equals to anyhow it will be 5, x is equals to 1. Got it? So that means the corresponding elements are equal when matrices are equal of order same. Of same order means then only we can say that corresponding elements are equal. So it will be for 1 mark. So anyhow y equals to 3, z equals to 3, x equals to 1. So you should write at the end these are the values of x, y and z. Got it? Okay. Next, find the value of x same way. Okay, x, y and z we need to find it. Here they are given of the same matrix. See, 2 cross 2 of this matrix, this is also equals to order 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 are there. Since matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal. But here x plus y is equals to 6, 5 plus z equals to 5, xy is equals to 8. So write all the three. X plus y equals to 6, y 5 plus z equals to 5, xy equals to 8. Clear? See now, anyhow they are telling 5 plus z equals to 5. That means I can solve this equation, right? I can solve this equation. I can get the z value. Directly I can get it. So 5 plus z equals to 5. Here you can see 5 plus z equals to 5 means I can shift this side. So positive will become negative. So 5 minus 5 equals 0. Z value is 0. When Z value is 0, we can solve for which one? X and Y. Let me see, check it out here. See, this is the way we have two equations. One is equation 1 and equation 3. Okay, don't get confused, it's very easy. So x plus y is equals to 6. X equals to what? 6 minus y. Okay, I can shift the y. I am writing the equation for x. So now, and from the equation 3, they have given xy equals to 8. Right? Now substitute the value of x. This x equation here in this one, in equation 3. X is what? 6 minus y. So 6 minus y into y is equals to 8. Xy equals to 8. Okay. So 6 into y, 6y, minus y into y, y square equal 8. Got it? Now I will change this y square. I will shift this one to this side and this one to this side. Y square negative will become positive, plus 6y has become negative, plus 8 has become minus 8. Now I can shift this side, plus minus 8 to this side. So it will become y square minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. This is one equation. Now y square minus 6y can, now this has to be factorization. Factorize of this equation. 8 into y, see, first term and the third term should be multiplied, 8y square. Okay. Which are the two numbers can be multiples of 8y square? Because we are having plus. See, I can write it as minus 4y and minus 2y. Why I have written? Because middle term I should get it when I add these two terms. When I add these two terms, I should get the middle one. So my middle term is minus 6y. That's why minus 4 minus 2 is nothing but minus 6y. This is the way to factorization. Okay, practice here for factorization. Now let me write it. 6y as y square minus 4y minus 2y plus 8. Now take the common in these two. Y square, sorry, here we can take it as only y, it's not y square. I can take y as common, it will be y minus 4, minus 2 I have taken common, y minus 4, minus I have taken common, that's why plus has become minus. Clear? In this thing I can write it as y minus 2 into y minus 4 equals 0. I got the two equations here, y minus 2 and y minus 4. Let me solve for both. So y equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Solve this in for this one. X minus x equals to 6 minus y, we got this equation. So solve for y. Put the y value as 2 and y value as 4 here. So when y equals to 2, x will be 4. Next, when y equals to 4, x will be 2. Now we will get the two things for x and y. Z will be 0 only. So hence x equals to 2, y equals to 4, z equals to 0, or x equals to 4, y equals to 2, z equals to 0. These are the two conditions for x, y and z values. Next, solve for this one. Here also same thing. They have given x plus y plus z equals to 9, x plus z equals to 5, y plus z equals to 1. See, this is of order not 2 cross 2 or 2 cross 3 or 4 cross 4. Okay, it is of only order. See how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. So only one column is there. So that means 3 cross 1 of order how much? 3 cross 1. Next, so matrices are, they are telling both are equal. So corresponding elements will be equal. So I can write these equations as x plus y plus z is equals to 9 and x plus z equals to 5 and y plus z equals to 7. So these are the equations. Now I need to solve it. You should think which one should be solved to get x and y, right? See, from the second equation I can write the x value or z value. Let me write x value. X equals to what it will become? 5 minus z. X equals to 5 minus z from the second equation. I am writing the value for x. Next. So, from equation 3, I can write the value for y. Y is nothing but what? Y. I can write it in what? Z minus 7. Or sorry, 7 minus z. Z will be there. Okay. 7 minus z. So, y equals to 7 minus z. Now, substitute x and y in equation 1 because both x and y we have written in z. X and y we have written in z. That's why let us substitute in equation 1. All the values will become in what? In z. See, x is nothing but 5 minus z, y is nothing but 7 minus z, z will be as it is equals to 9. Now solve for z. So 5 minus z plus 7 minus z plus z. So anyhow minus z and plus z will get cancelled here itself. We will left out with only minus z. 5 plus 7 it is 12. So answer it will be finally 12 minus z equals to 9. Solve for z, keep it as it is, minus z is itself. So 9, as I shift plus 2 plus 12 to this side it will become minus 12. So 9 minus 12 it's minus 3. Anyhow negative will get cancelled, minus will get cancelled. So z equals to 3. This is our final answer. Got it? For z value. When I get the z value, I can substitute in here. See, z is 3. 7 minus 3 is y equals to 4. I will get. Clear? Here you can see. I can get y equals to 4. Next, same way, substitute in the x equation. X plus z is 5. So z is how much? Z we got 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. See, all the equations can be solved easily. Don't get confused with this one. Only they have given 3 row and first only 1 column. Don't get with 1, 2, 3 like that 3 rows. No, it's completely one element. It is completely one element. It is completely one element. So both are equal. They are telling. That means corresponding elements are equal. Equate those things and write the equations. Next, think it out how we can solve. So both can be written in form of z, x and y, and substitute in equation 1. This is the way to solve the problem. Next, first initially find the value of z. Next, substitute in x, we will get the x value. Substitute in y, we will get the y value. Finally, we will get the answer as x equals to 2, y equals to 4 and z equals to 3. This is the way to solve it. Next, so here we need to find the value of a, b, c and d from the equation. Same way, but you need to identify the order of matrix. This is C, first row, second row, first column, second column. So that means order 2 cross 2. Here also 2 cross 2, one row, second row, first column, second column. That means 2 cross 2, same order. So that means corresponding elements will be equal. Equate the equation now. Write the equations. A minus b equals to minus 1. 2a minus b equals to 0, 2a plus c equals to 5, 3c plus d equals to 13. So this is the way we can write the equations. After that, we need to solve it. Here you should check it out how to solve this. Here from the equation, write b in terms of a. Okay? Clearly you can solve this one. 2a minus b equals to 0. I will shift that minus b to this side. It will become positive. So b equals to 2a we will get. Same way, solving in equation 1. In equation we having only ab. Solve for this. B equals to how much? 2a that we got. So solve it here. A minus b equals to minus 1. Solving b equals to 2a. So b is minus 2a. A minus 2a will be minus 1. So a minus 2a is minus a. Don't get confused. It's same of when they are having the same variables, then only we can solve it. So a minus 2a is minus 1. So a minus 2a means minus a is minus 1. So minus will get cancelled. We will get only a is equals to 1. This is the way to solve it. In the same way, anyhow we got the a value as 1. B is 2a. That means b equals to 2 into 1. We will get the answer as b is 2. Clear? Next, solving for equation 3. Here we know any of a, we don't know c. Substitute a value. A value is 1. Now substitute in this equation. 2 into 1, 2 plus C. So 2 plus C is equals to 5. Solve for C. C equals to 5 minus 2. That means C equals to 3. When it is simpler calculations, don't get confused, solve it directly. Next, solve for equation 4. Because anyhow we got C and we need to find D. C is 3. Substitute in the equation 4. 3 3s are 9 plus D, it's 13. So shift that side, positive will become negative. 13 minus 9, 4. So A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3, D equals to 4. These are the values of A, B and C and D. See, while solving, you should identify, you should think how I can solve. Okay, here A, B. So from 1 and 2 only we can solve the values. Write in one term, B can be written in 2A. So substitute in equation 1, we will get A value, and substitute A value, we will get B value. After getting B value, we can find easily C value. After getting C value, we can easily find D value. This is the way to solve it. Next, they are asking us whether it is a square matrix. Okay, they are telling that it is a square matrix and they are asking which of the options are correct. So M is greater. When it is a square matrix, orders are equal, right? So the option will be C. Directly I am telling, let me explain. Square matrix means it will be having rows and columns are same. So A is a square matrix, they are telling. So number of rows is equals to number of columns. That means answer is C. M equals to N. M can't be greater than N or M can't be less than N. So M equals to N. Next, one more in the same type of problem. They have given the values, which of the values of X and Y they are asking. How to solve it? Same way, equate it. Okay, we will get the equation 1, equation 2, see. 3x plus 7 equals to 0, y minus 2 is equals to 5, y plus 1 equals to 8, 2 minus 3x is equals to 4. Next, see, solve that equation. Solving 1, 3x plus 7 equals to 0, x is equals to minus 7 by 3. Okay, see, what I am explaining is, we want to solve this one for x and y. They are asking which option is correct. So let us check it out for any one of the equations. They are given, we got the equation 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Directly you can solve for x. Solve for x. X equals to minus 7 by 3. Any of the option is there here? Any of the option is there? No. So what one? So directly we can say that which one? So x is minus 7 by 3 and solving 4, see here one more way, solving here, solving equation 4. What is the equation? 2 minus 3x equals to 4, equation 4. X we will get the x value. X value will be equals minus 2 by 3. X cannot have two values, got it? So it cannot, we cannot find the value of x. Similarly, we cannot find the value of y. So therefore, x and y is impossible to find. So the correct answer is B, not possible to find. Next, let us check it out. Number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry of 0 or 1. Clear? If order 3 cross 3, there will be total elements will be 9. Each item can be filled in two ways, either 0 or 1. Clear? They are telling 0 or 1. So which one is correct? In that time, you should multiply. Or for example, how many elements? 2. 0 and 1 is 2 elements. So that means how many times it can be written. So 2 to the power of 9. Once again I am repeating, this is one tricky question. So the thing is, they are telling order of the matrix as 3 cross 3 and elements are 0 and 1. So elements are, how many elements are there? 2 elements. Total of matrix order will be 3 cross 3. In that matrix elements will be 9. So 2 power 9 the answer will be. So that means 2 power 9 is 512. So the option is D. So okay, fine. Let me finish off this, and in the meanwhile, after this one I will be updating with this one second exercise. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Be subscribed to our channel.